So, who am I talking to?
I'm Angus Lawrie. I'm Linn's marketing director.
Okay. And we were talking about the new Linn system today, the new speakers.
That's right.
And what are the models we were talking about?
Yeah, so we've created Series 5.
Yeah.
And there are two different speakers, two different systems. There's the 530,
Yeah.
the larger sister, and the 520, the smaller sister.
Smaller sister. And I was wondering, I mean, Linn is all about active. But I think you got a few different systems right now in the Linn lineup. You got the high-end DSM series, am I correct? And now you got the active speaker systems as well.
Well, that's right. These are exact active. So at Linn, yes, we have systems for integrated systems, high performance exact integrated systems, and we also have ultimate flexibility and performance. We have exact separate systems.
Yes.
Which both deliver exact active performance.
Okay, but for our readers, I mean, some are a little bit confused right now, but they see a pair of speakers and they say, well, how does it get signal?
Sure. No, absolutely. Well, we have, for example, we are renowned for our LP12 turntable, which we've made for 40 years. And for the last 10 years, we've been creating wonderful Linn DS players, network players. Now, of course, these source products are fantastic. And we still sell them today. We still sell them as part of many systems. But with these new systems, these exact systems, which we created back in 2013, they're fully integrated exact system.
So the streamer is inside the speaker?
The streamer is actually inside the speaker, absolutely, alongside the amplification and alongside the exact engine. And the exact engine delivers the performance of optimization, which we call Space Optimization Plus, for the customer's home. So we can optimize performance based on the room itself and remove the distorting effects of that room. And you can also optimize performance based on the placement of the speaker within that room.
But you need a box for that.
Yes. So the Climax Exact DSM or Accurate Exact DSM, you can connect any sources into, so the LP12, your television, your Skybox, your PlayStation, whatever you want to connect. And then of course you connect via Exact Link, which is on a Cat5 cable. The Exact Link goes into the back of the speaker. So you plug the speaker into the wall for power, and you plug the Exact Link into the back of the speaker, which transports that signal losslessly all the way, that source file, which can be a 24-bit studio master file, all the way into the speaker. So the first place loss could even occur is actually inside the speaker for the first time.
Cool. And you got the exact box as well. What's that?
Absolutely. So people who want to have the ultimate flexibility and performance and want to build their system up and upgrade it over time, we provide an exact box. So the exact box, the exact engine is actually inside the exact
the box.
Yes.
But it's also in the speaker.
Well, it's inside and integrated. It's inside the speaker, but exact box, if you like, is the new source. That source is actually within the exact box and the exact engine. Then that connects in turn to each channel of amplification for each different individual drive unit.
Exactly. So it's a pretty flexible lineup.
Absolutely, and that's exactly it. Many customers join Linn 40 years ago and continuously upgrade their system as time goes on to deliver higher and higher performance, and that's wonderful.
But I was wondering, what makes Linn actually Linn? I mean, you got a lot of competitors in the market, and a few of them are doing pretty well in the streaming segment. Linn was really early.
Yes, absolutely.
And they have, I think, if I can speak for Linn, they have pretty good focus on what they're doing right now. Yeah.
Well, Linn exists to eliminate loss, and we want to make sure that we have the whole process from the studio, right, from the microphone right through to the ear in the living room, and we're in control of that whole process. So we want to eliminate loss from every single part of that process, and we're very unique because of the situation we're in. We have our own record label, we have our own researchers and developers at our factory in Glasgow, and we also manufacture everything in-house with our base in Glasgow. Absolutely. And we also have a special single stage build where one individual will build that product for a customer from the start right through to the end. Then they'll test it, and then when they're so proud of it, they actually put their name on the product. So it's a very unique situation. And we're so focused on quality and standards and innovation at all times. The other thing that makes us very unique is, I mentioned earlier, that customers can always upgrade to the next level of performance. And that's something we're very committed to. Whenever we release something new, we always go back to our previous customers and say, you can also access this new level of performance or this new technology. So, for example, that could be an upgrade, a hardware update, or nowadays, of course, very much software related as well. So, with Linn DS, we launched back in March our highest performance level of Climax, Accurate, and Magic DS and DSM. And of course, we launched as part of that space optimization, which is optimization for your home, for your speaker, its placement, and the environment. Now, not just when you bought a DS did you get optimization as part of the DS. Every customer who bought Linn DS for the 8 years before got a free software upgrade to space optimization, delivering incredible performance.
You don't have to buy an extra box.
For a product they bought could be 8 years before they actually received that upgrade. So we're committed to that.
And is the software updates, because like you said, it's all software right now. Is it audible if you do an update? Does your product actually sound better?
Absolutely. We have lots of updates which are for different reasons. But some can be performance upgrades and some can be upgrades to the software itself. So actually this speaker, it's actually an intelligent, connected, software upgradable product. So it really is a revolution in hi-fi and creating exact.
Before that time we need to solder out the caps and
this is it.
Replace it.
This is it. And with Space Optimization Plus, we're always creating new improvements, and that's instantly updated straight into the system. And our Linn specialist retailers all around the world can visit customers' homes and then access that new level of performance through that software.
How hard is a software update?
A click of a button.
Okay.
Simple as that.
So there's no fear of bricked DS players or anything?
No, you're simply prompted just to click and update the firmware.
And go.
Job done, restarts, and we're off, So it's great.
Cool.
And all these upgrades are always free, like all Linn software. Whether that's Config, which is our software we use to set up our systems and optimize, or whether that's Kazoo, which is the UI, the user interface we use to access and control the systems and stream music. Again, every update's free, all available from the Linn website.
Cool. Thank you very much for this clear explanation of what Linn is and what's new. Let's hear some music now.
Fantastic.
Thank you.